Today, we're going to be discussing the Zenler Partner Programme. Firstly, what is it? And secondly, how can we go about there, setting it up and then promoting it for ourselves? Okay, so firstly, what is the Zenler Partner Programme? In essence, and more commonly called on the internet, is as an affiliate. Okay, so the Zenler Partner Programme is in essence you becoming a referring affiliate for Zenler. Okay, we have a 2-tier setup. So tier 1 is that you will earn 40% of every fee, of every sale, of every member that you bring into Zenler for life, as long as they are and continuing to be a paying member. Okay, tier 2 is where you can earn an extra 5% for every sale that your tier 1 brings into the membership. Okay, so tier 1, you can earn 40% directly for a direct sale into Zenler. And if then, as and when, your tier 1, so your new member, was to go out there and promote the Zenler Partner Programme themselves, you too can also earn 5% for every sale that they bring in for life, as long as they are a paying member. Okay, so looking at right now on the beta prices, if you were to just directly from tier 1 bring in, let's say, 3 new members per month, okay, you'll be looking at several $1,000s annually for just referring people into the Zenler program. It's huge. The power, the leverage is absolutely massive. Now, of course, we do have things in place where ethical marketing, promoting, and really utilizing and using the Zenler brand is so vitally important, as you would do with your own brands. So no spamming, no trying to target members within the Facebook group. Okay, it's all about the promotions and the marketing and the efforts that you make yourself to bring people into the Zenler program. Okay, so let's now show you step by step how to set up so you can have your own link to promote yourself. So here you are in your admin side by going to site, and then on the bottom left, right at the bottom, you'll see become a partner. If you press the Become a Partner button, you'll then be coming through to this initial page, the Zenler Partner Program page. Okay, a lot of this just explains what I've just explained to you by joining the partner program here, and then join the new Zenler Partner Program. Okay, so I am now a new member partner program. I am an affiliate. I can now go out and promote the Zenler Partner Program. So I'm going to access the partner dashboard, and what this does is this shows all of your analytics. Okay, it's a brand new account, so obviously everything is 0, but every time you send out your link, okay, your link gets opened, it gets pressed, somebody makes a purchase, your analytics are going to be automatically set up and cookied from the link that you have been utilizing. So it will show all of your transactions, site signups, the names, the email addresses. It's like a business hub. Okay, this is your own dashboard which shows all of your downline, if you like, all of your team, all of your partners that you have introduced into Zenler. Okay, so now all you would need to do to actually bring people into the system is use this button here, invite a friend. And this link will then take them through, directly cookied. Your link can then invite other members, other prospects into Zenler. Okay, and from that link, it'll just take them through to the sign up page. And everything is always cookied back to you. Okay, so here you are, and then your prospect would go to sign up, and they would sign up under your affiliate link. Okay, it's really important, of course, to be setting up your PayPal details. Again, it's really easy. Just put in your email address and save it, and then that means Zenler can obviously pay you as and when sales have been made. So that is a really brief yet efficient overview of what a Zenler Partner member really entails, and also the step-by-step guide to set it up yourself.